Welcome aboard the brand new Norwegian Aqua. In this video, we're touring a Category OA, Large Oceanview Stateroom number 5812. If you find it helpful, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more cruise tips and ship tours. Don't forget to check out our full ship tour of the Aqua, linked in the description below. For the inaugural Transatlantic sailing on the Aqua, we booked a Large Oceanview stateroom, and we were pleasantly surprised by how spacious and comfortable it was. It was easy to feel at home during our 10 days at sea. We especially appreciated this room for an itinerary with unpredictable weather and seas. On the far side of the bed, the lamp has both a USB and USB-C plug. On the other side, there's a wall outlet with a standard US plug. There are two reading lights, and on the side of those switches, there is a USB plug. The sofa area is set up similarly. Each side has lamps with USB and USB-C plugs, and one side has a US wall outlet. One feature we really appreciated was the full dresser, something you don't always get on a cruise ship. It offered ample storage and helped us stay organized throughout the trip. The vanity area is well equipped with one US plug, one European plug, a USB, and a USB-C port, perfect for charging multiple devices at once. On the wall, there is also another US plug, as well as the light for the vanity, which is next to the phone. Below the desk, you'll find the mini fridge. Make sure to ask your cabin attendant to clear it out so that you have space for water bottles and other things. We liked the closet layout as well. The open section was great for coats, backpacks, and shoes, while the other two compartments were ideal for clothing. The extra storage came in handy, especially for our longer sailing. If you're interested in seeing the room service menu or any other restaurant menus from the Aqua, we have them on our website and are linked in the description. Next to the door, there is the main light switch for the room, which only works when your key card is inserted. On the panel, use two fingers to activate it, and then you can change the temperature or put the Do Not Disturb or make up room lights outside your door. If you're staying in a family Oceanview stateroom, it will look exactly like this, except the standard sofa is swapped out for a sleeper sofa that can accommodate two people. We found the bathroom to be spacious, with plenty of storage and a well-sized shower. The mirror was heated, so it never got foggy after taking a shower. The shower head included a variety of pressure settings, which was a nice feature. If you use conditioner, be sure to bring your own, as Norwegian provides only shampoo and body wash. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay in a Large Oceanview stateroom on Norwegian Aqua. The extra space, storage, and comfortable design made it a great option for any cruise. Have you stayed in this room type on another ship? Or are you planning to try it out on your next cruise? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience.